What is happening, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Muranga, and I'm back with another special video. Today I'm not alone, I'm with my boy Kai.
What's up?
Yeah. Now today we're going to be showing you guys how to bench press. This is the compound movement of when you're training your chest. So today we're going to take it slow with you guys. We're going to take you through the warm-ups. We're going to take you through the foot placement. We're going to take you through how to hold the bar, okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. And if you're new to the channel, what's up? And if you're an OG, what do you do, baby? You guys know on this channel we always start with warm-ups and stretches. So today we're going to be focusing on the rotator cuffs, ensuring that your shoulders are ready for all the bench movements so you don't get injured, right? Cool, so now we're going to start with the foot placement. And what you do not want to be doing is putting your feet here over the bench, or not having, when you lie down, you don't want your feet to be lagging or just swinging. You want to make sure that they're planted on the side, planted fully, right? It could be your knee to your toe ratio. Make sure that you arch your back. Your shoulders pop up, chest up. That's how you put yourself in a position where your chest is going to be more dominant once you start bringing down the bar and once you start pressing. Alright, we're going to do that again, okay? You're going to make sure when you start, position yourself. Your feet are planted. As soon as your feet are planted, then you lift your chest. Lift your chest up, chest out, give yourself some more range of motion when you start going down with the bench and then you start pressing. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the finger placement, okay? So while you're holding the bench, I like to measure with my thumb from this line, I measure with my thumb fully extended, and I make sure that it's usually my pinky close to this. Usually my pinky grabbing this line. The first line here, I measure with my thumb, then you push up. And you want to be bringing the bar all the way down to your chest, right? Just to ensure full range of motion. How you hold the bar? For the safe route, you would like to have your fingers over it. Or the second option is to have your thumb grabbing under and you have the whole bar hooked. If you're not experienced yet, don't put the whole bar on your palm because it might just slip off.
let me pull the